they come to school too. Do me something, Melanie Poppy, my girl. She do me something. Up here, you got me wanting more. My African girl with that sweet body wine. You wear you grind, got me feeling alright.
Who is here?
I got two. And two catfish. And one barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Two catfish.
Two catfish, one barbecue.
Yes.
He's no problem. Anything
You have
for you.
asu.
Also, yeah,
Yes.
well, it's on fire and they're preparing it.
Okay,
Because
please.
we like serving it hot.
Okay, bring mods, cold mods too. Why coming?
Okay.
Just give me trophy. You know my usual.
Okay.
Who do?
I'm coming, sir.
Come on.
Sir.
Bring Andre. Bring Calorosi. Which one again do you want?
Magic moment.
Magic moment. If I bring all the wine you have, bring them.
Okay, sir.
Bring drinks.
Come make a press up your
Come on.
Shady, you do me tinny. Come make a press up your pee. We are slow down. If them your nonsense, baby, no my damn. I got you. Oh yeah.
Catfish and the barbecue they have not ready. It's only Pomon that is available.
Okay, bring the pomo.
I should bring the Pomon.
Yes, bring
Yes.
the pomo.
Yeah, let them bad girls, baby. Baby girl, no time. Yeah, got your time. Don't be like, look, oh my, if I were lucky. Baby girl, no time. Yeah, got your time. Don't be like, look.
Don't worry. Just rest here small. When we leave this place, I've already paid for that hotel room that I told you about. Okay. I did not pay for all this one small one. I paid for executive suit.
Okay.
The executive suit. I want to prove to you that love is wicked. I will wicked you with enjoyment.
Nonsense, baby, no my damn. I got you. Get me know you hot and no what I can cool ya, baby. Get me know you bad and me all of them bad girls, baby. Baby girl, no time.
Please tell them to be preparing the catfish.
Yes.
Look, oh my, if I were lucky. Baby girl, no time.
Be eating pomo, let me be eating onions. You will know that love.
Crazy love like that. Crazy love like that, yeah. Crazy love like that. Crazy love like that. You already with your mouth, she tell me, say don't let nobody.
Doctor want me to see that I should focus on onions. Are you good? Come on.
Sir.
Come here. I'm blood full.
Sir.
How much is our bill?
75, sir.
75,000.
Yes, sir.
No, baby, don't look at me that way. 75,000. Ego Mazi. Chicken change.
Oh, you are paying with POS?
Yes.
Let me get the POS, sir.
Anything for you, my baby. Anything for you, baby. Baby, Monadi. So one service.
Service, okay.
Want to finish for here now.
She do me something. Melanie Poppy, my girl. She do me something. Up here, you got me wanting.
I'm fine. How are you too? Wait, let me check. Babe, please, what is the name of this address?
Okay, this place you used to call Garden de la Baie.
I'm at Garden de la Baie. Okay, Garden de la Baie. Yes, opposite that filling station.
That filling, yes.
Okay. I'll meet you there.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Girl, you do me tinny. Come make a press up your pee. Shady, you do me tinny. Come make a press up your pee. We are slow down.
Man, know thyself. You don't know yourself. Miss you so much. Okay, sit.
Yeah, come on, sit. Wait up, please. Can you bring a chair for my boyfriend?
Baby, will you marry me?
Yes.
Jesus is Lord.
Oh, baby.
Wait. Please, can you snap us? Can you just snap us, please?
Oh, baby.
Yeah. Please now. Bama! Bama! Please come. Yes, ma'am, my baby.
Oh, Amumu know too much. How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Ah! May God not allow them to kill you.
No, Nami fuck up.
Mumu man!
No, I carried my phone.
Gasa, the barbecue is ready. Can I bring it now?
Oh my God, what's gonna happen? It's going to kill somebody. Watch out! Watch out!
Sorry, oh.
Thank you for watching this wonderful episode of School 2 Comedy. Guess
Yes,
what?
guys.
Subscribe, turn on the post notification, and don't forget, keep watching School 2 Comedy. Keep watching!
Keep watching School 2 Comedy.
Keep watching!
School 2 Comedy.